I got these 24 silk hair bands in 4 different colors, and I am so loving it. It feels so soft. It is very gentle in my hair, and these silk scrunchies are made out of satin and silk to give that beautiful luster. It's gentle on your hair, easy to wear. You can even wear it on your end. I love that aspect of it. I love that it can be used on different styles of hair, thick hair, thin hair, straight hair, curly hair, any kind. And then it doesn't give crease, it doesn't fade, it doesn't break. That is so awesome. It holds my hair really well and it holds it in place. I can wear this when I go out on a date or go out to a party or any outdoor activity like sports. I can wear this, especially when I want my hair to stay in place, and it is so practical for everyday look. I absolutely love how silky they feel. My favorite part about this is that I will incur less breakage when I wear this silk scrunchies. Absolutely loving it. I love how stretchy it is. That is another thing about it. It's quite stretchy. It looks small, but just look how it stretches. It's so stretchy and I absolutely love it.